pedestrian commute. Look at the beautiful clouds with the sun streaming through. I love walking in the mornings. The air feels so crisp. It probably rained up in the higher altitudes in the mountains. Very nice. This is one of the last remaining little orange fields in our area. They cut down so many of the orange fields. And here there's houses, like housing tracts. But like 10 years ago, there were still dense orange fields down both sides of the street. And yeah, this is one of the few quaint little orange fields that you can still see.